A person's smile is beautiful. No smile is complete without teeth. Ray helps you view the impossible. Ray is a company that helps you find a healthy smile through the development of digital solutions which safely and efficiently treat patients. Ray's digital solutions help you view the impossible. Digital 3D techniques help achieve accurate diagnosis. Ray has an intuitive design. Create an optimal treatment plan by aggregating the patient's various digital information in a virtual space. With just a few clicks, Ray Solution can design a suitable treatment. Ray Solutions offers on-site 3D printing of surgical guides for implants as well as temporary prosthetics, reducing time and boosting satisfaction for both dentists and patients. Ray is with you. Even today, the members of Ray are collaborating to achieve a happy journey together. Ray is a global company that actively exports to 70 different countries and also operates 8 international branches. Ray products are recognized by collegiate and overseas hospitals, as well as global clinical leaders. Rediscover your smile with Ray. "85% of people suffer from misaligned teeth. Ray treats faster and more accurately through big data-based, AI-driven CAD. Ray leads in AI-driven dental care. We add confidence to our patients' smiles. Smile together with Ray. Dentistry is changing the world, and Ray will lead dentistry's future.